Hello ChoroQ fans, we got another one of these Always cars. I got that one in the past, and on the side of this box it has some other ones here. I have this one as well, I think. I don't have these colors, but I have the casting, and I have the casting of these, just maybe not those colorways. This Always collection came out in 2007. I have a suspicion when they say Always, they just mean like classic Japanese vehicles. But I really don't know. When I took Google Translate to that, it just said bonnet truck. So it's not a specific vehicle, unfortunately. Yeah. Let's see if I can find some images though. So I'm positive this is modeled after an old 1950s Hino vehicle. So looking at this, it has the same like emblem there, this vertical thing, and then a bunch of vents under these in these two chrome strips. So whether it's a bus or a box truck or whatever, I'm pretty sure it's a Hino, right? It's got two small lights and two big lights. So if you're curious, anyways. So looking at this, it's got nice commercial truck wheels, so that's nice. Standard ChoroQ tires. It's got some printing here, which is nice. Raised door handle for a shortened door. Those vents, as we mentioned. Then we have the headlights. They're part of the bumper, painted silver. And then we have some ribbing here for the vents in the grill. And yeah, it's maybe a vent here for the cabin. It's got a clear base. And this says 2004 was when this casting was made, I guess. And then Always here, and some red paint for the taillights. And actually, it's got like some sort of canvas top, and it looks like the canvas is, opened. I wonder if this comes off. That's weird. It doesn't come off. It's glued in place. If you're gonna have it open, shouldn't there be something in there? Right? It's kind of weird. Or why I went. Just leave it closed then. Yeah, no signage there, but I guess it's supposed to have it. I've never seen this casting before, so it's weird that, well, leave a comment if you know. Have they ever put this casting out in this some sort of other colorway, other collection, right? It's an interesting truck. Okay, so I did have the Toyota Crown from this Always collection after all. And I have this truck, which I don't know what it is, but it's from this collection. It says Toyo Pet, maybe Toyago? That's weird, Toyago. Oh, I see a Toyo Ace PK30. I put notes on the bottom of that after all. And it turns out I don't have the three-wheeler as a full-size ChoroQ, but I have it as a Chibico. This is the smaller version of ChoroQs, and it is also an Always collection. So Chibico had Always. So it's much smaller, but actually it's probably more to scale because that's a small vehicle in real life. I have another Hino from a different brand. I don't even know if you would call this cartooned. It's from Wanda Coffee. So this is a freebie for someone that bought a can of coffee in Japan. I guess it is tuned a little bit. Back to ChoroQ, we have an old Citroen van. Really old. Citroen H van. And I do have a bonnet truck, not from Always, but I have some 3D printed wheels on this, and this thing was powered by like a wood stove or something like that. So that's a wood stove powering up this bus. It's interesting. So maybe I'll have to get the full size of this trike one of these days if I can find it for a decent price. And we got a little cartoon character that I feel would be fitting to drive that thing. Whoa, these are motorized vehicles here. Pull back toys. Alright, so this is a cool little ChoroQ. Maybe with a little black paint you could make the grill look a lot nicer. But otherwise, it's pretty good to go. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.